feminine, romantic, classic, and Parisian. These are the words used by Lise to describe her human-made home. And after spending some time in her Parisian apartment, I couldn't agree more. Hello everyone, my name is Abra, and in episode 3 of Human Made Homes, we are telling the story of Lise and the captivating home she created. Lise is an artistic director for the brand Vanessa Bruno, a content creator on Instagram, a lover of fashion and Parisian lifestyle. Here is how she turned a space into her home. For more episodes of this series, check out the description or my YouTube channel, Abra Dagraça. Happy watching! How does a space transforms into a home? What makes someone choose vintage instead of new? Minimalism instead of maximalism? Hi everyone, my name is Abra, and I love to talk all things home decor. More specifically, witnessing the process behind the creation of a home. The transformation of 4 basic walls into a unique place full of life. So, I created a home tour series that does just that. At first, I mostly filmed with my friends in their Parisian apartments, but with time came travels and episodes in New York City, Brooklyn, Amsterdam, Berlin, London. The new season is right around the corner. In episode 1, we are back in Paris with Daniel and his Art Deco inspired home. As we journey through season 3 and are invited in new human-made spaces, we will explore decor tips for small spaces, Parisian flea market addresses, vintage finds, storage recommendations, and hopefully gems that you will be able to take away with you. Each episode will focus on a human and the home they have intentionally carved for themselves. The series now counts 16 episodes, all available on my YouTube channel at Abra Dagraça. If you or someone you know would like to be featured on new episodes, feel free to message me on socials at Abra Dagraça across platforms, or simply email me. Happy watching!